Good day. What we are going to discuss is about place values. But first, we have to learn what a digit is. It tells you how many parts a number has. In this number, 456 tells you that it has 3 parts or 3 digits. Also, it tells us that for every digit, it has its place. And for every place, it tells you how much worth the digit is. Okay? Such number is called a 3-digit number. Another example is 56. It tells that it has 2 digits. Ang tawag natin sa 56 ay isang 2-digit number. At ito naman ay isang example ng isang 1-digit number. Gaano kadami ang 236? Wow! Ganito kadami ang sticks. Pag nire-represent ko ang 236, ganito kadami ang 200. Ganito naman kadami ang 3 tens o 30 ones. Ganito naman kadami pag 6 ones. All together, ito na ang kabuuan ng 236. Ang dami, di ba? Paano naman ito sinusulat sa words or number words? Ito ang paraan. Gets mo? Upang malaman natin na meron kayong natutunan sa place values, ititest natin 1 to 10 lang naman. Okay? Item number 1. What is the place value of this digit? Digit 5 is in the tens place. Item number 2. What is the place value of this digit? Digit 6 is in the hundreds place. Item number 3. What is the place value of this digit? Digit 9 is in the tens place. Item number 4. What is the place value of this digit? Digit 0 is in the tens place. Item number 5. What is the place value of this digit? Digit 5 is in the ones place. Item number 6. What is the place value of this digit? Digit 9 is in the tens place. Item number 7. What is the place value of this digit? Digit 3 is in the ones place. Item number 8. What is the place value of this digit? Digit 0 is in the tens place. Item number 9. What is the place value of this digit? Digit 3 is in the ones place. Item number 10. What is the place value of this digit? Digit 4 is in the ones place. Congratulations! Now let us wait for your teacher to discuss these items. This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.